About concept and operation of set. This topic belongs to mathematical Olympiad. Okay, for do that, we have here one problem. And this problem is suppose this set a set of A is equals x comma y, such as ax plus y is equals 1. The set of B is equals x comma y such x plus ay is equals 1. The set of C is equals x comma y such x squared plus y squared is equals 1. Where a is a real number. Two questions here in this problem. The first one, for what values of A is A union B an intersection with C? Intersection with C, a two-element set. The second question is, for what values of A is A union B intersection with C a three-element set? Two questions then. So to do that, we have to note that A union B, okay, intersection with C is equals A intersection with C union this intersection is union with a B intersection C. Okay, while A, look at this, A intersection with C and B intersection with C are the solution set. Are the solution set. Okay. But for solution for what? To the system of equation. So, which equation? The first system, I mean, we have two system equation here. Let me write the first one. Please use a different color. Write it this. Ax plus y equals 1. Okay, it's very simple. See, right? The second one is going to be this one, x squared. We have it here and see x squared plus y squared equals 1. See, this is the equation, and the other one is x right here plus ay equals 1. See? The second one, same thing, x squared plus y squared equals 1. So respectively, now if we solve the equation, the equation we get we are going to get here, if we solve the equation, we are going to have we are gonna have, for example, here A intersection C, A intersection C, so equals the first one is 0,1, okay, comma. We are gonna have here. We are going to have here. Let's write it. The points. Two 8 over 1 plus a squared. Here 1 minus a squared over 1 plus a squared. And the second one, we are gonna have 1 here and 0, right? Just write on top 1 minus a squared, 1 plus a squared. Here 2a and over 1 plus a squared. This is the solution that we get it after solve the system, the equation. Then when you see this, the conclusion, as a conclusion, we are going to be able to write. We conclude that when look at this, when a is equals 0 equals 0, a is equals 0, and 1, the set, this is the conclusion. The set, what is the set? It's A union B, intersection, we are talking about this, contains exactly 2 elements. 2 elements. See the first question, number 1, all right? And the second one, and when A is equals -1 plus minus square root number 2, the set contains exactly 3 elements. This is our conclusion about this problem with sets. If you have questions, please try to review some videos before about this topic. Concept and operation of set belong to Matemáticas Olympiad. Remember, we are in the first chapter, first unit, about the concept and operation of set. Actually, we are focused right now on some concepts, some kind of problems, but not too much. So thank you so much.